Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set an address in the AirAsia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down, look for the account details section and click on the addresses button. And then click on the add address button. So first you can set a label for your address, if it's a home address or a work address. Give a name, give a mobile number, and then set your country, and lastly give your address, so your postcode, your city and your state, and of course your street name and the number of the street. And then if you want to use it as a default address, then just tick it, and then click on the save button and your address will be set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.